Hi, welcome to Rozey K9 Farm. This is a litter of F1B chocolate labradoodles. I did an earlier one of the 3 girls that are available, and these are 2 boys. We have Cardinal here, and he is still available. And then we have Blue Jay there. Cardinal will have more of a wavy, more of a coat like his daddy, just a shaggy, wavy kind of coat. And then Blue Jay's kind of pending right now. He might be available, we'll see. He's got more of the tighter curl coat there. So these are the 2 boys still available of this litter. They were born 3/24 and are just 8 weeks here. So they're ready to go. You guys gonna play tug of war? And then, like I said, there's 3 females also available, and they're in another video, and then you can see individual pictures of them on our website, which is www.Rozey K9 Farm, and that's ROZEYK 9farm.com. Or you can give us a call at 616-892-1993, and we'd love to give you some more information on these 2 boys. So these are Cardinal and Blue Jay F1B Labradoodle puppies. They are from our Timmy, who's an F1 Labradoodle, and then Mitzi, who's a standard poodle. There's Blue Jay. So once again, we are Rozey K9 Farm. That's ROZEYK 9 farm.com. We'd love to give you some more information on either this litter of labradoodles, or we also do breed standard poodles, and we do have some of those litters coming up the end of May and 1st of June. Like that bone, Blue Jay? You've had that one the whole time, and then Cardinal, you've had that rope. Huh? You guys enjoying your toys? Alright. You guys come? Blue Jay. Good boy. Good boy. Oh my goodness, you're so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh! Calm down, sweetie. Hey, buddy. Oh, you gonna go get another toy? Oh, your brother's got it. Alright, play nice. Alright, we'll say thanks for visiting.